So what's up, people? It's me. So today I woke up and I was like, you know what, let me try to do something a little bit productive with my life and something that I could, help myself with. I came up with the idea of bleaching my roots. But right now I'm just gonna start mixing my bleach and then I'll explain what I'm gonna do. So basically the products that I'm gonna be using today are, well, my bleach that I'm going to be using today is the Matrix Light Master Lightning Powder. 30 volume mixed with 20 mixed with 10. I have like a little bit of each, so I'm just going to mix them all together. I'm going to put a cap on. And yeah, also I'm going to be using Olaplex. But that shit like saves your hair. This you put inside your bleach, so, or your lightener, I should say, whatever. After you use Olaplex number 2, which is kind of like a conditioner, or you can also use the Olaplex shampoo. So now I'm gonna mix my bleach into a consistency that I like. Mix the bleach basically until you feel like you could completely saturate every hair with the thickness, I should say. I don't know. That's basically what I do. I'm gonna do like 1.5 scoops first, just to start out, because after a little while the bleach stops working, so I want to make sure that I get it on evenly and fast enough, so if I need more, I'll just mix more. It's been like 5 weeks, I would say, since I last bleached my hair. I'm gonna be mixing a little bit of 30. Also, before pouring your develop, shake them, because I don't understand. Alright, so I have the peroxide and the lightener, or the powder I should say, down here. I'm basically gonna mix this up first. Try to do it away from your face because it smells like shh. So do not put the Olaplex in yet. We're gonna do that after we mix this all up. I don't have a scale with me right now, so I'm just mixing how I would like. Also, another tip is that after a little while, the bleach does get a little bit thicker, so if it feels like it's a little bit thin, just like leave it for a couple seconds. And then try mixing it again, and it should thicken up. Oh, I actually feel like this. Yeah, a little bit more powder because it's just too watery. Like, look at that. It's too, well, I shouldn't say watery. I mean, it has too much developer in it. You don't even need like half a scoop. You literally just need like a smidge. So now I'm going to add the Olaplex. This does give you measurements on this, so you could do all that, but I'm good, sis. So honestly, I don't know how I'm gonna do this with the camera, so just bear with me, peeps. I mean, don't leave any brown, but try not to touch the blonde because this could literally break off. Everybody knows that, but like, just try your best not to touch it, but make sure that it's even. We don't want no bands. Almost like halfway there. Yeah, still kind of scared. I know that this isn't gonna be a tutorial, so don't kill me. I'm just doing this for me. This is how I do my shit. This is how I get my locks. I'm just showing you. Basically, I'm just gonna put this all over my roots. Then, after, I'm going to do a bleach rinse on the rest of my hair just because I want to get like the purplish tinge out of it. Put a fresh toner on top of this because after a while it just starts looking nasty. Go blonde, they said. It would be fun, they said. There's my hair blonde. Seems fine. A little bit, it'll thicken up. You know the drill. Oh my gosh, I just got bleach on the floor. A little bit more Olaplex. She doesn't want to go bald. She wants to go blonde. Remember, always put the Olaplex after you mix your bleach. I look like a bird. Okay guys, so now I literally look like a Q-tip. What I did to get the rest of the color out was I used the rest of the leftover bleach that I had and I mixed it with some shampoo. It's by Matrix. And just mix that in, and then I just put it throughout the ends and made sure that it was even so that once I bleach, it'll be all even, and then I can have like a clean slate to tone. It'll be all one solid color. So I'll be back once this is done processing. Sat for a couple more minutes and it's looking pretty good. So I think I'm just gonna rinse it, and I'm going to mix my toner before I rinse just so that it's sitting for a little bit beforehand. And I use the Wella T18. I have to specifically get this from Sally. I buy them like in bulk if I can. So this is what I'm gonna be using. I'm all done. So now let's do the big reveal. She's hello. But I'm pretty sure after we put this toner on, she will be a beautiful platinum blonde. After I rinsed out the bleach, I just used this Redken Color Extend Blondage Purple shampoo. This stuff's amazing. It will stain your hair. Just an FYI. Now, I'm gonna apply the toner. This is how she looks. I know that this toner will turn purple, so don't freak out. While it's turning purple, it's actually doing what I got to do. Okay guys, so once you look like this for the most part and your scalp is pretty much burning, you could rinse this off. And I'm gonna rinse, then do a purple shampoo, and then I'm gonna do the Olaplex. So guys, this is, ooh, driving, almost crashed. So guys, this is the finished result. It's still a little bit yellow, but I think it looks pretty good. I like a little bit of yellow. It's gonna lighten up with the purple shampoo. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. Just please subscribe and give me a big ass thumbs up because, you know, we love that.